Hi, I'm Brianna Baud. I'm a school counselor at Washington Township High School, and my topic to talk about is becoming self-aware by asking yourself certain questions. You should ask yourself, what do I want out of high school? What hobbies and what random acts of kindness will make me feel good? Who am I proud to surround myself with, and who deserves my trust and friendship? What's my personality type? This will help me understand myself and other people better. It will also help me to understand my likes and dislikes, strengths and weaknesses, and how I can thrive. What types of careers does my personality type do well in? What makes me happy?
Hi, I'm Mrs. Mulvihill. When you meet with your counselor, you will be able to create a personalized student learning plan. This is a chance for you to celebrate you. You get to think about the things that you are interested in. You will talk about everything that you will need to graduate from high school, and you will also get to choose an elective that is a good fit for you. Before thinking about the classes that you will take, you should talk to people, talk to siblings, and talk to friends. Talk to your parents and even teachers about the courses that are offered here at the high school.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Eckert Carpenter, part of the counseling team. Just like the colors in my shirt are all different and have come together, so are all of you. Tonight, I'd like to introduce your customized student learning plan. Each one of you will have a plan that will follow you through your 4 years here at Washington Township High School. As a student, you're going to be asked to select 7 classes that are a good fit. The good fit will be dependent upon your grades, what your future plans may be, and so forth. Okay, and then here's a sample of your personalized student learning plan where we're going to map out your future together. On the front, you'll see that we keep track of all of your graduation requirements. Up top are all the requirements that you will need by years to meet those graduation requirements. And each year that you meet with your counselor, this will be updated, as well as all testing requirements, what your post-secondary goals are, extracurricular activities, information about our college and career fair, and other vital information in this box right here. On the back of the student learning plan is actually where we will circle your classes. Again, your classes that will be scheduled will be dependent upon your grades, and as you can see, there are a large number of offerings here at Washington Township High School, including all of our academic classes as well as all of our electives. And again, you will see that for freshmen, this is the actual sheet, okay, so it is a little bit different than that sheet that we offer for sophomores, juniors, and seniors, okay? And basically, if you look to the right of this screen, you'll see that we have different offerings. We offer college preparatory classes, honors, advanced placement, okay? And if you are a student who takes honors classes at the end of the year, when we calculate your final average for weighted grade point average and ranking purposes, you'll get 6 extra points. For those of you who are in AP, and there is only one AP class in 9th grade, that is the AP World History, you will receive 10 extra points. Okay, and we are on a 100-point scale here at Washington Township High School. Again, how to manage your plan. It's very important that you remember that New Jersey requires at least 120 credits for graduation, and that is our job as a counselor to track that. You're all going to be scheduled for 35 credits next year, 7 classes. You will be required to pass a standardized test such as the NJSLA for graduation, maintain at least 6 classes per semester, adhere to the attendance and discipline code of conduct, and if you're an athlete, you must meet NJSIAA and NCAA eligibility, and your counselor and coaches will discuss more about this with you. I wish you the best, and we'll be seeing you soon.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Hamer, and I'm going to give you some tips on how to self-manage your plan. All students need 120 credits to graduate. You will also need to pass a test of record in order to graduate, which can include the NJSLA, SAT, ACT, or AccuPlacer exams. You must also maintain 6 credits per class and adhere to all school policies on attendance, discipline, and the code of conduct. Student athletes must also meet NJSIAA and NCAA eligibility. Your counselor will review all of these things when you meet with them to go over your plan and course scheduling for the upcoming year.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Veneer. Welcome to WTHS. A couple things I want to talk to you about before you meet with your counselor. Review the program of studies, get an idea of the prereqs that are needed, and the grade levels of the classes that you could take. Also talk to your friends and siblings about some of the classes that they've taken in the past. Find out the projects that they've done, the assignments, to see if that's something that you would be interested in. We have a lot of electives that you can take, and they have awesome opportunities for you. Also, consider taking AP level classes if you meet the prereqs. Also, the dual credit classes. This is an awesome opportunity for you to be able to get college credit here at the high school. When you come to meet with your counselor, make sure you come on time, and then also have some questions that you can review information with them. Thanks and good luck.
Washington Township High School Career Academies are set up as a 4-year continuum of targeted career and technical education courses.
And students are introduced to the scope, rigor, and disciplines to better prepare for a program of study at a 2 or 4-year college.
The College and Career Targeted Academies allow students to make informed choices about opportunities in high-demand and high-skilled career pathways, which offer an advantage over other students who would be entering a related program of study at the post-secondary level. The experience that are provided for students focuses on solving real-world problems using a variety of skills, mindsets, materials, and tools.
Yep, and the career academies within Washington Township High School create opportunities to identify and cultivate robust learning, connect with resources outside of its campus, and raise teaching and learning to more challenging levels. Washington Township High School Career Academies are designed to prepare students for specialized college and career programs by providing high-quality career and technical education experiences in 5 specialized areas: engineering, early childhood education, business administration and finance, marketing and marketing management, and television production and broadcast journalism.
Starting off with the first one, the new Engineering Academy at WTHS is a 4-year program dedicated to preparing students pursuing colleges and careers in engineering and related fields. The Academy puts you at the center of an active, collaborative, real-world experience for a unique competitive advantage in the engineering career cluster. It sounds like a great way to get a head start in the engineering field.
Yeah, and it's a great way to have the skills that will allow you to make real change in the world. Engineering enables you to make the world a better place while being mentored by teachers and professional engineers. Another profession that impacts the lives of future generations is teaching. The students in early childhood education are preparing themselves to enter the field of education. The class's vibrant, authentic learning lab that focuses on teaching concepts and skills that have immediate applications. The completion of this 4-year program will guide high school students toward a Child Development Associate credential, and the hours in the classroom setting may be also used toward a Certified Child Care Professional credential.
It's great that they can earn so many things towards their career in this class, along with college credits towards an early childhood education degree. Those aspiring to become a teacher of early childhood education will have a unique opportunity to explore methods of teaching preschool-aged children in a real-world environment. It's great that we have so many opportunities for students to expand their knowledge in a career they enjoy. Another great career choice for students at WTHS is in the business field. A high-impact 4-year education in a comprehensive field of business leadership in the world of accounting and finance.
And the Business Administration and Finance Academy will arm you with real-world hands-on projects, collaborative working and learning spaces, and rewarding internship experiences to advance you into the professional that you're becoming. Another business-like field that many people here at WTHS are interested in is marketing and marketing management. The students in Sales Marketing and Marketing Management Academy at WTHS gain exceptional decision-making skills and are sought after by professionals in retail, sports and entertainment marketing through a 4-year curriculum of learning.
A lot of students here at WTHS take business classes, and if you're part of the Marketing and Marketing Management Academy, you'll have the opportunity to participate in DECA, the award-winning student organization at WTHS. Imagine the power of learning from faculty mentors and industry partners in the field you dream to be a part of. Another field that many students can dream to be a part of is the television production field. Here at WTHS, we offer a series of television production courses that help students learn all about TV and film. A 4-year television production and broadcast journalism academy at WTHS will promote a community of students who will master the methods and techniques of creativity as they cultivate their passion for TV, video, and broadcast journalism. The dynamic facility is state-of-the-art, boasting 2 high-definition studios and control rooms, and is designed to incorporate project-based learning platform with the cross-curricular instruction.
Yep, and thanks to all that technology that they have to offer, the program covers a wide range of topics including appearing on air, becoming a producer, editing sound and video, executing camera work, studio lighting, and filmmaking. And both of us, as a part of Monthly Rewind, we can verify that the program really helps you introduce you into the field, much like all the career academies do here. The students in the career academies possess important characteristics of passion and discipline as they become a career academy student.
Implementing career pathways at Washington Township High School provides opportunities for students to engage in authentic and relevant learning that melds rigorous academic content with contextual learning. It includes developing high-quality partnerships with state agencies, industry, and higher education to support these efforts. Be a part of the career academies at Washington Township High School.
Hi everybody, I'm Mr. Tutoriello, one of the counselors here at the high school, and I'm here to talk to you today about your requirement, your graduation requirement for both visual and performing arts and career and technical education. During your 4 years of high school, everyone must pass at least 1 class in visual and performing arts and also 1 class in career and technical education. Visual performing arts would be things like a variety of our art classes such as studio art, photography, pottery, jewelry making. In addition to the art classes, we also have our dance program, guitar, chorus, orchestra, and band. So anybody in any of those programs, that would be a visual performing art. In the career and technical education category, we have things like business classes, such as Introduction to Business Careers, any of our accounting classes or marketing classes. You could also do family and consumer science, which would be culinary arts, childcare, or housing and interior design. And then of course our technical education programs, which would be classes like materials processing, introduction to engineering, introduction to TV and radio, and introduction to graphic design, just to name a few. Also in the career and technical education category is the Air Force Junior ROTC program. So any of you that choose to be in the ROTC program, that does cover your career and technical education class. So remember, during your 4 years of high school, you need at least 1 visual performing art and at least 1 career and technical education class. Thank you. Have a good day.
Hi, I'm Andra Williams, school counselor. Many of our students come to high school knowing their exact career path, while many others need the opportunity to explore. You've learned about our 5 academies, but it's also important to know that within each content area, we offer a variety of electives to prepare our students for a career path or college major. These courses count as academic units toward college acceptance. Many of these courses also count as dual credit, providing students the opportunity to earn both high school and college credits. Students can select any of our academic electives, explore the field for a year, then decide if they want to continue that path or experience something different. To help our students find that career they're passionate about pursuing, at Township we offer journalism, theater, social sciences, which include economics, government and politics, psychology and sociology, computer science, allied health and medical science, veterinary science, and forensic science. Counselors work with students from freshman year through senior year to design an individual educational program that focuses on their strengths and interests.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Nelson. I'm one of the counselors in the counseling office, and I'm here to talk about the transcript. Your transcript is a record of everything that you have completed while you were in high school. Now, as a freshman, there's not a whole lot on your transcript, but by the time you're a senior, your transcript will contain all of the classes you've had each year. This is important for a couple reasons. If you're going to go into an apprenticeship, into a trade school, into a 2-year college, into a 4-year college, into employment, they're going to look at your transcript to tell a story of what and who you are. Have you challenged yourself? Have you taken honors courses? If you were doing very well on a college prep level with a 98 in history, did you make yourself, or did you challenge yourself to go up to the honors level? Or if you're in the honors level, did you challenge yourself to go up to the AP level? If you're interested in becoming an electrician, have you taken classes that deal with being an electrician? Same for art or music. It tells a story, and you want it to tell an accurate story of who you are. At the end of each year, credits are assigned for completed courses. You need to have 24 credits to be a sophomore, 54 credits to be a junior, and 80 credits to be a senior. 120 is the magic number for graduation.
Hi, I'm Sandy Stockwell, and I'm going to go over the timeline that you need for scheduling. From February to April, all school counselors will be meeting with their kids, 8th graders through 11th graders, for individual scheduling advisement appointments. In April, you'll also be able to do any kind of makeup appointments if you're absent from school and you weren't able to meet with us prior to. Also, in the middle of April till the end of April, we'll be doing any kind of course changes that you decide. And the big date that always remember is May 1st. Once May 1st occurs, no changes will be done to any of the courses that you selected. All the schedules will be locked in so that the schedules can be built. Again, if you need to see any of us to go over any of the concerns that you have, please make appointments with us. And late August, you'll be able to see your actual schedule on Power School. Please see the counseling office for any questions. We're always here to help.
Hi everyone, Mr. Palmer here to share some ideas on how you can have a positive high school experience. Juniors, don't slow down as you reach the end of your high school career. Really focus on your plans after high school. Prepare to take the SAT and ACT. Continue your college search, including visiting some colleges. Sophomore, consider what courses you want to take next year. Prepare for the SAT by carefully reviewing your most recent PSAT score report. Continue to work hard in your classes. Freshmen and incoming freshmen, advocate for yourself by getting to know your school counselor and asking lots of questions, including asking for help as soon as you need it. Consider enrolling one of our new career academies. Make new friends by participating in clubs, sports, and community activities. All students will use the online tool Naviance to learn more about yourself and develop a plan for the future. Remember to update your Naviance resume annually. All students will need to take standardized tests. The best way to do well on standardized tests is to take challenging classes and do well in them. Take every standard test seriously. Washington Township has many sports in all 3 seasons. Even if you never played a sport before, coaches are willing to work with student athletes. Additionally, by getting involved in non-sport activities, you will enhance your college resume and create lifelong memories. I've heard many adults say that they regret not getting more involved in high school. Don't be one of those adults. Get involved in high school. Remember, your school counselor is here to help you have a positive high school experience and to build better people.